How to make your home stand out and attract buyers. Buyers have options more than ever. Inventory's up fivefold from the 2021 to 2022 frenzy. 40% of all sales are new construction. That means your home's competing not just with your neighbors, but with model homes that are professionally staged to perfection. So how do you make your home stand out? Imagine the first day of vacation. You've had a long travel day, you open the door to your upscale hotel or Airbnb, and it's spotless, it's beautifully lit, it might even smell nice. It instantly welcomes you in. You can't wait to put your stuff down. The colors are neutral, the decor is tasteful, you feel relaxed just being there. It feels fresh and luxurious, and you can't wait to settle in. Now, contrast that with visiting a friend's house. It's clean, but there's a slight whiff of dog in the air. The sink's full of dishes, there's laundry waiting to be folded, the fridge is covered with magnets and to-do lists. Family photos are everywhere, collectibles line the shelves, the bathroom has toiletries on the counter. It's clean, but it's clearly someone else's space, and it feels lived in. You're careful where you sit. You ask before grabbing a drink or using the bathroom. You're a guest. You don't feel at home. This is the difference between a house that sells and one that lingers. Buyers make emotional decisions within seconds of walking into a home. If it feels fresh, inviting, and move-in ready, they connect. If it feels like someone else's home, they feel like an intruder, and they're already moving on to the next showing. When you list your home for sale, it stops being your home. It becomes a product. And just like any product, it needs to be packaged, marketed, and presented in a way that appeals to as many buyers as possible. That's where staging comes in. Cleaning's not enough. You need to depersonalize the space. That means removing family photos, non-neutral paint colors, paperwork, daily clutter, laundry, dishes in the sink. Even decor you personally love might need to go if it doesn't appeal to a wide audience. If you think you've cleared enough, go back and clear some more. A good rule of thumb, you want buyers to see the house, not get distracted by your stuff or your life inside it. I believe in this so strongly, I bring in professional stagers for my listings at no extra cost to my sellers. I'll bring in art, greenery, curtains, pillows, blankets, and furniture, and rearrange what's already there to improve flow, maximize light, and create that model home feeling buyers respond to. True story, in March 2022, during the record seller's market, I took over a listing that had actually expired. The layout was tricky. The dining room was immediately inside the front door, and buyers couldn't quite make sense of the space. I brought in a professional stager. They reframed the flow of the room and gave it purpose. The home sold in under a week for more than it was listed at previously. That's the power of staging. Some agents only offer virtual staging to save money. While it might look great online, they don't recreate that emotional in-person connection buyers need to feel when they walk through the front door. That's where real-life staging makes all the difference, and the numbers speak for themselves. The Real Estate Staging Association reports that staged homes sell up to 3 times faster for up to 15% more than non-staged homes. The National Association of Realtors found staged homes sell 73% faster and for 5 to 10% more than non-staged homes. Even if you're skeptical and just use the lowest estimate, 5% more, that can mean tens of thousands in your pocket. And again, when you work with me, that professional staging service is complimentary. If you're thinking about selling this year, or even just curious about what it would take to make your home market ready, I'd love to help. Call or text me anytime, 210-629-5622. And as always, open a new door in life.